Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use a VPN on any iPhone in 2021. It's a simple tutorial, and no, you don't have to use these features. They're very complicated. You don't have to go to settings, click on VPN and configure it right here. There's a simpler way. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you obviously want to do is go on the App Store, and don't worry, you won't have to pay for anything. I didn't. Click on search and type in VPN, and the one that I'm using is the first one. It has this icon, a key icon, and you just click on open when you install it. There might be ads, and you just want to go through the ads, click on connect. It might require you to just go on your settings and enable VPN, but everything else will be automatic. If this video is helpful, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.